Today's video is about a very serious topic, and I'm sure all of you must have heard about this accident in the news. The accident involving a Porsche Taycan. A 17-year-old boy was driving an unregistered Porsche Taycan on Sunday and he killed two people because he was driving drunk and at speeds above 150 kilometers an hour. What exactly happened? Chalo, let's dive deep into it. The 17-year-old boy, who is the son of a prominent builder in Pune, visited a couple of nightclubs in the wee hours on Sunday morning and then he took the wheel of the Porsche Taycan. He made his driver sit in the passenger seat of the car, and when he was at the wheel of the car doing speeds of 150-160 kilometers an hour, he hit two people and both of them died on the spot. Both of them were 24-year-olds from Madhya Pradesh and they were working in Pune as techies. The driver of the car allegedly tried to flee, but because all the airbags had opened up, he could not see the road ahead, which is why eventually he had to bring the car to a halt and he got out of the car. The locals over there caught him and bashed him before the police came and arrested him. What happened next was really shocking. The minor was of course arrested by the Pune police and his dad was also booked because he let his car drive and he was an underage. Apart from that, the bar and the bartender who served alcohol to this underage guy was also booked. But within 15 hours of the arrest, the boy got bail. The boy was presented to the Juvenile Justice Board and the police actually tried to convince the court to try him as an adult because he is almost an adult, but the court dismissed the plea and they tried him as a juvenile and they let him go on two conditions. He will help the traffic police for 15 days and he will have to write an essay, a 300-word essay on the causes and the effects of an accident and how to prevent accidents. And the following charges were put on the 17-year-old boy. IPC 279, driving rashly on public roads. IPC 304A, causing death by rash or negligent driving not amounting to culpable homicide. IPC 337, causing hurt and endangering a human life by rash or negligent behavior. IPC 338, grievous hurt. Sector 184 of the Motor Vehicles Act, dangerous driving, and Sector 119 and 177 of the MVA, driving without a valid license. The Commissioner of Pune Police went to the court and asked them to replace 304A with 304. 304 basically means culpable homicide and that adds major charges to the boy over here. Now initially the court dismissed this plea, but eventually if it happens, then with 304, the boy could have a maximum penalty of up to 10 years. It has also come to light that a couple of MLAs and politicians came to the boy and his father's rescue and tried to speed up matters and help them come out of this without a lot of punishment. But eventually the chief minister and the police commissioner have decided that the maximum possible penalty will be applied over here and they will deal with this case in a stringent manner. We will see what happens eventually with time, but I have a few questions over here. Why was an underage driving a car, and that to something as powerful as the Porsche Taycan? The car was not registered. Did it even have valid third-party insurance? Two people, both 24-year-olds, lost their lives over here. They had a bright future ahead of them and the families also had a lot of hopes from them. They had gone to Pune to build a nice career. What is the value of a life in India? This is just one accident. We see such accidents happening almost every week and a ton of them happen over the course of the year. What can we do to improve road safety? What can we do to make sure that such offences are dealt with in a stricter manner? What can we do to protect the lives of our fellow citizens? Let's discuss in the comments below.